First, let's define what we mean by venomous. Venomous snakes produce venom, a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that can cause a variety of effects on the body, ranging from mild pain and swelling to paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. Venomous snakes use their venom for self-defense, to subdue their prey, and to compete with other animals for resources. Now, let's talk about some of the most venomous snakes in the world. One of the most well-known venomous snakes is the king cobra, which is found in Southeast Asia. The king cobra can grow up to 18 feet long and can inject a large amount of venom with a single bite. Its venom can cause paralysis and respiratory failure, and it has been known to kill humans. Another venomous snake that you may have heard of is the black mamba, which is found in Africa. The black mamba is one of the fastest and deadliest snakes in the world, capable of reaching speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. Its venom can cause paralysis and death within hours, making it one of the most feared snakes in Africa. Moving on to Australia, we have the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. This snake has the most toxic venom of any snake in the world, and a single bite can kill up to 100 humans. Fortunately, the inland taipan is not aggressive and rarely comes into contact with humans. In South America, we have the fer de lance, also known as the tombstone snake. This snake is responsible for the most snakebite fatalities in Central and South America. Its venom can cause severe pain, swelling, and tissue damage, and it has been known to cause death within a few hours. First, let's talk about the appearance of scorpions. Scorpions are arachnids, which means they are related to spiders, ticks, and mites. They have 8 legs, 2 pincers, and a long, segmented tail that ends in a stinger. Scorpions come in a variety of colors and sizes, ranging from a few centimeters to over 20 centimeters in length. Scorpions are found in many parts of the world, including the deserts of North America, Africa, and the Middle East. They are adapted to living in harsh environments, where they must be able to conserve water and tolerate extreme temperatures. Scorpions are nocturnal, which means they are active at night and spend the day hiding in burrows or under rocks. One of the most distinctive features of scorpions is their venomous sting. Scorpion venom is a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that can cause a variety of effects on the body, ranging from mild pain and swelling to paralysis, respiratory failure, and even death. Scorpion venom is used for self-defense, to subdue their prey, and to compete with other animals for resources. Despite their reputation as dangerous predators, scorpions are an important part of the ecosystem. They prey on insects, spiders, and other small animals, helping to control their populations. In turn, scorpions are preyed upon by larger animals, such as birds, lizards, and mammals. First, let's talk about the appearance of lions. Lions are part of the cat family, and they are the second largest living cats after tigers. Male lions can weigh up to 550 pounds and grow up to 10 feet in length, while females are smaller and weigh around 350 pounds. Lions have a distinctive mane, which is a thick growth of hair around their necks that varies in color from blonde to black. Lions are found in sub-Saharan Africa and a small population in the Gir forest of India. They live in grasslands, savannas, and dense scrub where they can hunt their prey. Lions are social animals and live in groups called prides, which can consist of up to 40 lions. The pride is usually led by a dominant male, or a coalition of males, who are responsible for protecting the pride and leading the hunt. One of the most distinctive features of lions is their loud roar, which can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lions use their roar to communicate with other lions and to mark their territory. They also use a variety of other vocalizations, such as growls, snarls, and grunts, to communicate with each other. Lions are apex predators, which means they are at the top of the food chain. They hunt a variety of prey, including zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo, and can take down animals that are much larger than themselves. Lions are also opportunistic hunters and will scavenge from other predators if the opportunity arises. First, let's talk about the appearance of eagles. Eagles are large birds of prey that can weigh up to 15 pounds and have a wingspan of up to 8 feet. They have sharp talons and a hooked beak that they use to catch and eat their prey. Eagles come in a variety of colors and sizes, depending on the species and their habitat. Eagles are found all over the world, except for Antarctica. They live in a variety of habitats, including forests, mountains, and deserts. Eagles are opportunistic hunters and prey on a variety of animals, such as fish, small mammals, and other birds. They are also scavengers and will eat carrion if they cannot find enough prey. One of the most distinctive features of eagles is their keen eyesight. Eagles have binocular vision, which means they can see clearly both in front of them and to the side. They also have a higher number of color receptors in their eyes than humans, which allows them to see a wider range of colors. Eagles are also known for their impressive flight skills. They can soar for hours without flapping their wings, using updrafts of warm air to gain altitude. Eagles can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour when diving to catch their prey, and they have been known to fly at altitudes of up to 15,000 feet. Despite their power and grace, eagles are facing threats to their survival. Habitat loss, hunting, and pollution are all contributing to the decline of eagle populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect eagles and their habitat, and to reduce the impact of human activities on their survival. First, let's talk about the appearance of poisonous frogs. Poisonous frogs are small, brightly colored frogs that are found in Central and South America. They come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, blue, green, and black. The bright colors serve as a warning to predators that they are toxic and should not be eaten. Poisonous frogs are called poison dart frogs because indigenous tribes in South America would rub the toxic secretions of the frogs on the tips of their blow darts to make them more deadly. The poison secretions of some species of poisonous frogs are so potent that they can kill a human. Poisonous frogs are found in rainforests and other humid environments. They are active during the day and feed on a variety of small insects. Poisonous frogs lay their eggs on land and the tadpoles are carried to water sources by the adult frogs. One of the most interesting aspects of poisonous frogs is their toxic skin secretions. The toxins are produced by the frogs themselves and are used as a defense mechanism against predators. The toxins can cause paralysis and even death in predators, and some species of poisonous frogs are considered to be among the most toxic animals on Earth. Despite their toxic secretions, poisonous frogs are facing threats to their survival. Habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal pet trade are all contributing to the decline of some species of poisonous frogs. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures and their habitat. First, let's talk about the appearance of lethal spiders. Lethal spiders come in a variety of sizes and colors, depending on the species. Some of the most deadly spiders include the black widow spider, the brown recluse spider, and the funnel web spider. These spiders are known for their distinctive markings and are often recognized by their venomous bites. Lethal spiders are found all over the world, but they are most commonly found in warm and humid environments. They live in a variety of habitats, including forests, deserts, and urban areas. Lethal spiders are opportunistic hunters and prey on a variety of insects and small animals. One of the most distinctive features of lethal spiders is their venomous bites. The venom of some species of lethal spiders can cause paralysis and even death in humans.